Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you my favorite nude lipsticks, and also because I've been switching to being a nude lipstick lover. Kasi before, I love bright red lipsticks or bright orangey one because it brightens my face, but now I'm leaning more to nude lipsticks this day. I'm just gonna show you guys what I've been using for the past few months for my makeup looks. Most of these are local brands and they are very affordable too. I'm just gonna link them down on the description box below so that you can check out right away. I am a sucker for multi-purpose products. So this tint is from Mlbb. This is so good because it's so pigmented. You just need one dot from it and you can spread it all over your cheeks, lids, and also on your lips. I specifically love the formula because it's so thick and the shade is so beautiful. This is a tinted lip balm from In Her Element. It is also a local brand. I really love how buttery it is and how it just melts down straight up on my lips whenever I put this on, and it really heals my dry lips as well. This is the perfect terracotta shade for a lip balm. This is from Love Lolita. It is also a local brand and I really love how velvety it is. It also doesn't leave my lips patchy whenever I leave this on for a long period of time on my lips. This one is from BLK Cosmetics. It's in collaboration with Nadine Lustre, and mainly I bought this because of Nadine, but oh my gosh, I can't stop using it now. It has a thick consistency and it also dries up matte, but I haven't worn it for more than 1 hour, so I really can't tell if this would be a good recommendation for those who have dry lips. Now let's move on to lip gloss, and it's from the brand called The Happy Face, and yes, it is also a local brand. It has a plumping effect, plus it is so pigmented. This is from a brand called Bud Club, and yes, it is also a local brand, but what I love about them is that they have a wide variety of shades that you can choose from. Formula wise, I can also recommend this because it is so lightweight on my lips even though I keep layering it up. Now let's move on to bullet lipsticks. This is in the shade, this is from the brand called 3CE and it's in the shade number 116. I've been using this since last year and this doesn't grow old on my purse. Honestly, one of the best formulas that I've ever tried for the bullet lipsticks. Okay, this one, this has been abused by me so much. This is from a brand called Color Red, and yep, this is a local brand. And as you can see, it is so pigmented and it really glides down on my lips so good and so easy. Like, it's so buttery as well, but it is matte lipstick. I cannot live without this lipstick. The shade is more of like an orangey brown shade, more of like a peachy kind of tone, but yeah. Next is from BLK Cosmetics. This is their refillable matte lipstick. I think it's the universal collection of them. I swear I want to buy more shades of this because my gosh, you must have this lipstick. I swear you must really have this lipstick. It does have a little shine on it when you apply it, but then it's really matte and it really covers up your lips so much. Of course, I bought another shade and this is in the shade Cappuccino. This shade does have a little bit orangey shade on it, but I still love it so much, as well as the latte. Actually, it really looks good on the golden hour effect. We're down to the last one, and yes, this is from BLK again. This is the Solen Yusuf collaboration with BLK. It's in the shade Moonfire, and if you have watched my first impressions review on the Dahlia set, you will know how much I love this. I think this shade will probably look even better on those who have a morena skin tone. Formula wise, this is not as heavy as it feels like the BLK refillable matte lipsticks. I am also obsessed with the packaging. Yeah, that's just it for today's video. I hope you guys like this one, and if you do, please do hit the subscribe button below, and see you guys next time.